Hi there, I'm Jeff Goldberg and welcome to Take a Break from Code. When I talk to customers, they often ask me, what's the difference between low-code and no-code application development platforms? They both look the same to me. There's a lot of confusion in the marketplace because vendors are jockeying for position and the technologies blur the lines between coding through abstraction and coding with language. Let's see if I can help you distinguish the difference when you start evaluating and working with a low-code or no-code platform. In a lot of ways, low-code and no-code are very similar. They provide a visual development approach to rapid application development. Neither requires experience with traditional programming languages to create applications, making app development accessible to a greater number of people, specifically tech-savvy individuals working in business lines. Both promise to help professional and non-professional developers alike create applications with greater efficiency, thus increasing productivity. And both strip away the overhead of standing up environments and maintaining infrastructure by virtue of them almost always being offered as a platform as a service, or PaaS form factor. But that's pretty much where the resemblance ends. Most no-code application development tools tend to be data-first, departmental productivity enhancement solutions like form-based data input, simple reporting and dashboarding, and lightweight back-office automation. These types of applications are much easier to create with no-code tools compared to Excel or Access. No-code platforms enable less technical business users to build solutions fast because they're designed to solve functional use cases. They don't require the app creator to make considerations for architecture and restrict integration to vendor-provided solutions. While the ease, simplicity, and rigidity baked into pure no-code development works at the department level, scaling to the enterprise presents challenges, architecture considerations, like increased monolithic application risk because developers are inexperienced with application architecture patterns in no-code. Most no-code platforms require deployment on their public cloud and don't have deployment flexibility so that you can deploy to a private cloud or on on-premises infrastructure. There's also extensibility issues. Because no-code platforms lean toward operational efficiency use cases, they don't possess the capability to focus on user experience and can't connect to legacy systems. Creating custom integrations for third-party solutions is also a challenge, in connecting to homegrown systems because they're not supported by the vendor. As no-code tools proliferate throughout the organization, there aren't any guardrails to control or contain application sprawl. It creates data quality and data governance challenges and results in multiple versions of the truth. In addition, application quality is often not addressed in no-code, so you don't know whether or not these applications are performant or not. Low-code platforms approach application development from a software engineering perspective. It enables developers to take advantage of scalable application architecture and flexible deployment options. It gives them the ability to extend platform capabilities with open APIs, promoting reusability. It gives them the option to exercise control with application testing, quality, and performance tooling, all while incorporating the high productivity techniques seen in no-code solutions to speed development through visual means. Low-code development is capable of handling more use cases than pure no-code because of their general purpose nature. Low-code platforms address innovative use cases with next-generation technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain using drag-and-drop components built by technology leaders and the open source community. Customer experience applications for mobile, leveraging user interface frameworks to implement design language and branding. Productivity and operational efficiency use cases spanning across departments and domains. And legacy system modernization, which brings to bear current architectures with microservices, component-based development using containers, and continuous deployment opportunities for existing mission-critical applications. But here's the problem. No-code development platforms are perceived as too simplistic to support complex use cases, and low-code development platforms are considered too complex for non-professional developers to use. Let's compound that challenge with a couple more. If you implement a no-code solution, you're going to be considered shadow IT to the greater IT organization. Once your apps grow beyond your business developers' ability to support them, what are you going to do? All that efficiency and cost savings is going to go out the window because your choices are limited. You've alienated the IT developers, so they're not going to help you, and that means you're going to have to go contract or consult to solve your problems. If you implement a low-code solution, it may make your developers code faster, But does it increase the accuracy of the delivered solution relative to the business requirements? Is time to value really reduced when your developers have to rework and fix solutions because the business remains outside the application development lifecycle? At what cost is it to the business to have apps faster that don't do what they need them to do? The fact of the matter is, the problem goes beyond the tool or technology. The problem lies in driving greater alignment between the business and IT in the application development process, and partnering the business and IT developers in the act of actual application development. It is through collaboration that your organization gains application development efficiency, greater accuracy in delivered solutions, and time to value, enhancing competitive advantage in the market. Finding a solution that fosters collaboration and provides no-code and low-code tools that work together and cater to the specific domain expertise of the business and IT developers is paramount to achieving those goals. So if you're considering a low-code or no-code solution, you need to make sure you include these questions in your evaluation to make sure the interests of the business and IT are met. What does the solution do to promote and facilitate business and IT communication and collaboration? Is collaboration integrated or additive to the solution? How does the solution support business and professional developers to create applications? And are specialist developers able to enhance the solution to deliver custom design language and custom code in reusable formats to the business and professional developers to use in their project? Thanks for taking the time. I'll chat with you the next time we take a break from code.